Welcome to the third edition of BNI Dreams Rendezvous. Dreams is a strong group of 40 plus business entrepreneurs from different industries helping each other grow their business. The purpose of Rendezvous is to recognize the top performing member every month. Today with me is Smita Sinha, who is an international travel specialist, and her company name is Travelers, and I am Ishrat Bodawala, host for the day. Welcome Smita.
Thank you, Ishrat, for having me here today.
Travelers, explore your urge to travel. As the tagline says, Travelers is an international travel planner that helps you fulfill your urge to explore the world. Travelers, founded by Smita, tries to give personal touch to every travel plan with a ground handling team and a feather of value to money feature. Okay, so tell me Smita, how Travelers was founded?
The Travelers was founded in the year 2014 when I started promoting the northeast of India, which was a hidden gem. I had studied in northeast of India. At that time I just thought it has not come up in front of everyone. So then with the thought of exploring myself and to show it in front of the other people who are interested in traveling, I started with the northeast promotion. That's how in 2014 Travelers founded.
Okay, wow. So like coming to BNI, your category is international travel specialist. So how did you foray into international travels?
When I started with the promotion of northeast of India, so I started selling the product on many online portals like Make My Trip, Yatra, Travel Triangle and all. So when you start working, then definitely you get, travel is an open field, so you get the inquiries nationally, internationally. So that's how when I started getting the international inquiries, then I started exploring the countries, and one by one I started adding upon. So that's how we have become expertise in the international market also.
Okay, so now coming to your answer that how you forayed into international travel. So is there any of your specialty, like whether you cater to personal tour or group tour or a corporate or anything else?
Travelers handles each and every type of tour planning, customized, ready-made made packages also.
Okay.
We are helping the corporate groups also. We are holding MIC also, and we sometimes take the smaller, very private ceremony people also, like for the wedding and all. So it is the combination of each and everything.
Okay, so basically it's a bouquet of all kind of
you can
offerings.
say we do help honeymooners to plan their honeymoon. Then we do plan the student explore packages, like because Maldives is known for the aquatic life over there.
Right.
Then in your Italy, it is going to be an educational tour with the monuments and all. So likewise, we cater many different categories.
Okay, so do you like keep on suggesting your clientele, like if somebody is going for a personal tour, like a family tour, so do you suggest what all places as a family they can go and explore, and if somebody is planning a destination wedding, so they can go for a particular destination to get the best experience? So do you give your inputs also on that?
Definitely, that's why we are the travel planner. Otherwise it is going to be a dictatorship. Like you can't dictate a person, or you can't just keep your mouth shut also. Like if a person is coming to me for a Maldives 2 nights 3 days, I just can't give them a stereotype thing when I know that they have more things to explore in 2 nights or 3 nights. Sometimes we reduce the nights, sometimes we increase the nights also.
Okay.
So it depends upon destination, the basic requirement of the client.
Okay.
A honeymooner is coming for Meghalaya. We say, sir, if you have the budget, please go for international destination.
Right.
If it is a family with the kids, rather than going to the Maldives, which is the beach destination, mostly for the honeymooners, we tell them to go to Dubai, Singapore.
Yeah.
Singapore is very kids friendly. You have n number of destinations.
Yes.
Every 3 months, Singapore comes up with new attractions.
Yeah.
Which is very much attracted towards the kids category.
Yes.
So Dubai, Singapore, Thailand,
Yes.
Bangkok. So likewise.
Yeah. So that it makes sense, because there are many people who are traveling for the first time at the international level. So many times, in fact, they are also not clear.
Yeah.
If somebody is planning a trip with a family, so even they are not sure which country to explore. So this kind of guidance or the expertise that you have will definitely help them to understand what
Yes.
they want to explore as a family.
Sometimes what happens, clients come with a very specific budget.
Oh
Like
yes,
it,
yes,
they want to go for 1 lakh or 2 lakh.
right.
So sometimes we give them excellent service in 50,000 also.
Okay,
Sometimes a person comes with a budgeted with a budget certainly like for 25,000 or 50,000 or 1 lakh, but finally books for 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs also, because they
Okay.
don't know
Right.
what exactly they need to go, what they are going for. So we have to give them the information, like what is there, what they have to explore. Every
Right.
time, you know, many countries are very much stereotyped. Like if it is Paris, it is Eiffel Tower. If it is your Singapore, it is Universal Studio or like
Right.
that. But as per the age, as per the group, as per the people who are going, we can definitely give them the answers, like
okay,
good inputs, so
Okay.
that it becomes a memorable trip for them. Because a person, when a person is planning for the next time, he will never repeat a destination.
correct.
So he is
Correct.
going for he is exploring that country for the once time in the lifetime. So it has to be memorable.
Absolutely. So one more question comes to my mind, like in fact even I have faced, so I think there will be many travelers will be facing the same issue. So wherever Indians travel, especially in any country rather apart from Asia, so people always face this issue of food. Okay, so the people in India is mainly a vegetarian. So when they go to other countries like America, North America, South America, so there they face this kind of problem of having the foods, availability of food. So how do you cater to that requirement?
We do have certain packages where we are sending the kitchen along with the groups.
Okay.
But again, it depends. There are many parameters on which we decide. If it is a bigger group, sending kitchen is not an issue. If it is a smaller group, we definitely understand on the parameters like the costing and everything. But if suppose a honeymooner is going and he wants to have a veg Jain food, which is a big strong task for all the planners to handle it.
Right.
But nowadays, many countries, they have already come up with the hotels and the restaurants with the Jain menu,
Okay.
veg menu. Non-vegetarian is definitely open up. And we do have tie-up with many restaurants. If we are sending in a group, we hire that particular restaurant only completely.
Okay.
So there are many kitchens and the restaurants in your entire Europe and other part of the world. Like they have that particular slot mentioned for all the planners who are sending
Okay.
the groups. Like 1 hour for this particular group of 80 people, then 40 people,
Right.
and we cater everything, whatever is their need.
Okay. Okay.
So that nowadays it is not a hurdle anymore.
Okay. So that definitely helps a lot
Yes.
while the traveling is
Advantage
done.
to get the booking
Yes,
done.
yes, yes. Absolutely. Food is the one of the main criteria while doing any kind of international booking.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. So Smita, tell me, you have any expertise in any particular country that okay, यहाँ पे जाओगे तो absolutely no worries at all. It is my domain. Absolutely okay. You cater to all the countries, that's okay. But somewhere you have a personal touch कि ये तो मेरा अपना घर जैसा है. You know that kind of you have certain expertise.
हम मालदीव्स में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं. वहाँ पे हमारा खुद का ऑफिस है.
Okay.
So 24/7 हमारा स्टाफ एयरपोर्ट पे रहता है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट ओनली कैटरिंग इंडियन क्लाइंटल्स, वी आर हैंडलिंग द वर्ल्ड वाइड मार्केट. सो सबकी फ्लाइट का टाइमिंग, एज यू नो, हर कंट्री एक टाइम फेज पे चलती है. सो 24 आवर्स ग्राउंड हैंडलिंग टीम है. वैसे में एक और एडेड जो कंट्रीज, बाकी कंट्रीज आती हैं जहाँ पे आपको ये तीनों चीज़ें मिलेंगी, दैट इज़ नेपाल, टर्की,
Okay.
एंड वी आर वेरी सून कमिंग अप इन थाईलैंड ऑल्सो. हमारा खुद का होटल आने वाला है वहाँ पे भी. सो द थिंग्स आर गोना बी मोर बेटर, slowly and steadily.
Wow, that's another wonderful insight. So yes, Smita, can you share some funny anecdotes from your past bookings or experiences? Any good remembrance?
I had done the booking of Coca-Cola group.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे 70 एडल्ट थे, जिसमें से हमने ओपन किया था कि वो MIC इवेंट था, जिसमें क्या होता है, डीलर्स जाते हैं उनके.
Okay, yes.
जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स होते हैं,
Yes,
डीलर्स
yes.
होते हैं. और उसमें ये भी था कि उनके फैमिली वाले भी जा सकते हैं. मतलब
Okay, there was a choice.
इट वाज अ चॉइस.
Okay.
मतलब नॉट ओनली हस्बैंड वाइफ, अगर कोई फादर ब्रदर जा सकते हैं. तो उसमें एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर थे जो अपने फादर को लेके गए, एंड वो क्वाइट एजेड थे.
Okay.
तो हर जगह जहाँ पे गाइड कुछ बोलती थी ना, तो उन्हें ना वो चीज़ समझ नहीं आती थी.
I forgot which was the country.
दैट वाज सिंगापुर.
Singapore.
तो वहाँ पे जब गाइड कुछ भी रिलेट करती थी या कुछ भी एक्सप्लेन करती थी तो वो इंग्लिश में करती थी और एक राउंड हिंदी में होता था, लेकिन उनको हिंदी भी नहीं समझ आती थी, उनको मराठी समझ में आती थी. तो
Okay.
वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा फनी मोमेंट्स आते थे और वो खुद भी उसको इतना लाइवली लेते थे कि चलो मुझे हिंदी भी नहीं आती, इंग्लिश भी नहीं आती, बट वो हर उस पे ना सबसे पहले उठ के क्लैप करते थे और सबसे पहले थम्स अप दिखाते थे कि नहीं मुझे सब समझ में आ गया, लेकिन उनको एक्चुअली में कुछ नहीं समझ आता था. सो ऐसे काफ़ी इंसिडेंसेस हैं जहाँ पे फनी मोमेंट्स बहुत हुए हैं. अब आइलैंड पे लेके गए, मतलब क्रूज हॉल्ट हुआ, उन्हें समझ नहीं आया, वो कहते हैं कि क्रूज खराब हो गया एंड ऑल. सो दिस आर द थिंग्स विच हैपेंस विच इज कभी कभी स्ट्रेस भी देता है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मज़ा भी आता है हैंडल करने में.
Okay. So any kind of suggestions or inputs that you would like to give to our travelers traveling internationally? Any instructions that you would like? Because I have come across many times that people don't take Indian travelers in that fashion. You know, they have a particular mindset about Indian travelers. They don't give good response. There are many countries. So why does it happens?
देयर आर मेनी रीजंस, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडियन ट्रैवलर्स को कोई कैटर करना नहीं चाहता है. इंडिया तो ऑलमोस्ट 130 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन की कंट्री है. इट इज़ अ ह्यूज मार्केट फॉर मेनी कंट्रीज. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो मना करते हैं, बट हाँ कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस होते हैं जो हम खुद ही तोड़ देते हैं. बट स्टिल एवरीबडी वांट्स इंडिया की इंडियंस आने चाहिए. बहुत बढ़िया बिजनेस होता है, एक बहुत बढ़िया करेंसी अर्नर है अपना इंडिया. तो इंडिया को ऐसा कोई नहीं बोलता कि इंडियन मार्केट से लोगों को नहीं आना चाहिए. बट हाँ जो चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी होती है वो ये है कि बाहर की कंट्रीज में थोड़ी सी टाइम मैनेजमेंट होती है, डिसिप्लिन ज़्यादा होता है.
Absolutely.
सो इफ वी कम ऑन दैट पेज एवरीथिंग इज वेरी गुड. इट विल बी मोर बेटर, बट हम अभी भी बेस्ट हैं, नो डाउट अबाउट इट.
Wow, that's wonderful. Yes, so I think with this I am done with the questions. Smita, thank you for answering all the questions very well. So yes, there is a point from me that I would say that anybody who is traveling internationally, what are the first and foremost requirement? They always look for safety, security, and of course the most important aspect, food. Right? So yes, when you travel with the travelers, you can get assured that it's a very well planned travel trip that you are going to remember for long. Yes, Smita. So here comes the most pertinent question that everybody has nowadays. What are the international travel destination that we can look forward to in next coming months?
In the coming days, Maldives is open for Indians. There are many other countries which are opening up slowly and steadily with the new COVID rules. Like Switzerland is open, but they need they need both the certificates of the vaccination. Then Nepal is opened up for Indian travelers, but Nepal is in itself which is locked down right now. So as such there is no traveling happening. So in coming months we are seeing like Sri Lanka will also get open, Europe will get open, Iceland is opened up, and currently the talks are going on to open up the airspace for New Zealand, Australia also for the travelers.
Yeah, thank you, Smita. So we had a wonderful time discussing all this important aspect about traveling, and certainly we came to know about the important destination that we can always travel to in next coming months. So thank you so much for coming here today.
Thank you, Ishrat. My pleasure coming here with you all. Thank you.
Pleasure. So viewers, when we travel any international destination, our prime concern is the safety and security, and most importantly Indian Jain food with a value to money feature. Rest assured your international travel is well planned by travelers. Stay tuned for another episode of BNI Dreams Rendezvous. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.